Are you ready to dive into the world of Daredevil once again? With the highly anticipated Daredevil Born Again series set to premiere on Disney Plus, fans are eagerly awaiting the return of Charlie Cox as Matt Murdock and Vincent D'Onofrio as Wilson Fisk. But before we get there, let's take a moment to appreciate the fresh Daredevil Anthology now available on Disney Plus. This collection gathers some of the most iconic Marvel series featuring our favorite blind vigilante, including the original 3-season run of Daredevil, its crossover show The Defenders, John Bernthal the standalone series The Punisher, and appearances in She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, and Echo. This is a perfect opportunity for fans to revisit the epic tale of Daredevil or catch up on the story. For newcomers. And what about the upcoming Daredevil Born Again? We can expect the return of Charlie Cox and Vincent D'Onofrio, as well as other familiar faces like Deborah Ann Woll, Eldon Henson, Eilert Zur, and Wilson Bethel. In an interview with Entertainment Weekly, Cox emphasized the importance of Karen and Foggy in the series, stating that their presence adds emotional depth to Matt Murdock's actions. And the good news doesn't stop there. In an interview at Fan Expo San Francisco, Cox hinted at the possibility of continuing his role as Daredevil in the Marvel Cinematic Universe for a while longer. With a comic featuring Matt Murdock in his 60s, Cox jokingly responded, "Oh, okay, great. So we've got some time." So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, that's why we'll see you next time.